Mugomo wa arutani na aruti a wira university-ini cia muingi ukiingira thikũ ya keri. Aruti ma wira a university rungu rwa kiama kia UASU na KUSU university-ini ya Alope county-ini ya Busia maugite manyitanire na aruna ao university-ini ciothe cia muingi gutabania mugomo uyu amu ni manogete gweterera gukinyanirio kwa ngirimiti yao ya wira na thirikari iria mekeranire mwaka wa 2021 mwaka wa 2025.
Our allowances be harmonized.
Yeah, it should be harmonized.
Kenya wide.
Currently we have the requirement between 7 to 12, and that is what we want. That is on salary.
Pesa yenye wanatupatia zingine they not remit to the banks. SACCOs wamekuja wanatupigia mlango kila siku, pesa yetu iko wapi?
University-ini ya Kibabii county-ini ya Bungoma maundu nota ugwo arutani na aruti a wira magitabania mururungano wa thayo makiuria aciari na aruto magena gweterera riri mathomo marugamite makiburanira iboto ciao makiiga mirothi na kuthararia mathomo ma aruto university-ini ya Turukana. Atongoria a kiama kia UASU na KUSU maugite ni metereire ibinda ria kuigana kuhaibio ngathi na kuongererwo misara na kuona ruthiomi ruria thirikari ingiigwa no rwa mugomo matigucokereria wira o nginya mabingirio ma bata mao.
The taxation that has been inflicted on the workers at large, whichever sphere we can talk about, but today as the university staff we are feeling the pinch, and we are seriously feeling that pinch.
We want our lecturers to be promoted. Many of them have stayed in one grade for many years, yet other civil servants are being promoted.
Gatagati-ini ka maria arutani aya marenda mabingirio ni thirikari ni bamwe na kurorero weru kigina kia maribi ma urigiti wao kwambatirio musara kuringana na ngathi ya mundu na mathomo make undu umwe na kuigananio kwa mbeca iria ibianago itari musara-ini kana marupurupu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Mercy Wandia wa Mũrĩithi.